decide. Hear her voice, shake my window, shake my window. Sweet seducing sigh.